Hey guys, Omar with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are installing a brand new air handler today for a customer. That the air handler, the one she has in her commercial business, which is up here behind me on the third floor, it has freon leaks, and so it threw all the freon. We found those here a few days ago, so we're coming in today to put a brand new 3-ton air handler, which is right here, and it's gonna go up there. So once we get this new air handler installed, she'll be able to have heating and cooling, and she'll be another happy customer. So call us for our AC heating and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com and on YouTube under ABC Austin Service Express. Okay, so again, AC heating and refrigeration. Ask about our 10-year warranty on parts, 10-year warranty on labor, and up to 10-year financing also available. Okay, so 512-448-0532, and see you guys in the next video. Okay, all right, thanks, bye-bye.